Hello, art enthusiasts, and welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today, we're diving into a magical world of imagination as we draw a whimsical raccoon witch for Halloween. Get your art supplies ready, because it's going to be loads of fun. Let's jump right into it. Begin by sketching the classic witch's hat with a pointy, long curve. Now carve out the basic shape of our raccoon's face. And don't forget those cute ears peeking out from the sides of the hat. Time to give our raccoon witch some character. Draw a wavy stripe of color around the eyes, running across its face. Add 2 round eyes with pupils squished in the middle to give the raccoon a stunned expression. Don't forget a pointy nose and a small pursed lip. Now let's make that fluffy tail under the face, followed by a plump body. This raccoon is sitting tight, squishing its tail as if it's utterly stunned and doesn't know how to react. To make our scene even more believable, let's draw a witch's broom underneath. Yep, our raccoon witch is taking a broom ride and is totally stunned by the speed, sitting all squished. To add some action to the broom ride, draw sparkles and action lines to show that the broom is flying through the skies. Now for the fun part, coloring. Color the eye area in classic gray, making it look like our raccoon is wearing a mask. Extend the gray details to the tail as well. For the body, let's go with a lovely purple hue. And don't forget to make the broomstick in regal brown with a yellow brush. Our raccoon witch is coming to life. And there you have it, folks. Our whimsical raccoon witch is ready to cast some Halloween spells. I hope you had a blast following along with this quirky and fun tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more fantastic art adventures. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, keep embracing your imagination and creating wonderful art. Until next time, keep drawing and stay creative.